In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the best ways to leverage positivity to reach your goals. When it comes to reaching your goals, there are 5 practical ways that you can use the power of positive thinking to achieve your goals and design the life of your dreams. Every aspect of your life that you can see clearly in your mind is something that you can achieve. Here are the best ways that you can leverage positive thinking to accomplish everything you set out to achieve. Focus your mind. When you can use your mind like a laser beam, intently focusing it on the object of your desire, incredible things can transpire. When you focus all your attention on accomplishing your goal, your mind will begin to seek out the path for fulfilling its desires. Focus on more positive things, and you'll find ways to achieve it. Visualize your intended outcome. It isn't an easy feat to visualize the achievement of your goals. However, when you can learn to imagine achieving your goals, you are one step closer to accomplishing your goals. It's important to remember, however, that your visualization needs to be fueled by planning, action, and constant analysis. Be mindful of negative thoughts. When negative thoughts enter your mind, it can quickly defeat a large portion of your progress by striking you with stress, fear, and anxiety. Negative thoughts get you to worry about the future or regret past decisions. However, if you want to succeed in what you're trying to achieve, you have to be mindful of those negative thoughts. This will take constant practice to master. Get inspired by others. You can use the power of positive thinking to achieve your goals by seeking out others who can provide you with a source of inspiration and motivation. There are plenty of people who have overcome significant challenges to achieve their goals. It's a lot easier for you to leverage the power of positive thinking when you can see examples of people that we know to inspire you to achieve those goals. Be persistent. Anything worthwhile is going to be difficult. If it were easy, everyone would do it. When you refuse to give up, you can use the power of positive thinking to achieve any goal over time. Never give up on your hopes, because as long as something is important enough to you, you will find a way to achieve it. With enough determination and persistence, you can reach your goals. Leveraging the power of positive thinking will help you achieve them faster.